Hello everybody, welcome back to another unboxing where I grab something that we have in stock, talk about what it is and what it does. Today with us we have the B2 Audio RIOT61 Component Speaker Kit. The RIOT61 is a component speaker kit that offers a high quality audio upgrade for your vehicle with a focus on simplicity and performance. It includes the 6.5 mid-range speakers and 1-inch silk dome tweeters designed to deliver rich, full sound. The mid-woofers utilize coated paper cones, while the tweeters provide a clear, high frequency. The system features a 12 decibel to octave crossover and a tweeter attenuation of 3.5 kHz for precise sound distribution. Installation of the RIOT61 is made easy with its shallow basket design and flush mount tweeter housing, which ensures a quick, hassle-free setup. The speakers are compatible with various vehicles and engineered to enhance the audio performance of your car's existing sound system. With specifications such as sensitivity of 91.4 decibels and a peak power handling of 150 watts, this kit is designed to deliver loud and clear audio. Additionally, the RIOT61 includes a free 2-year extended warranty card which must be registered for activation. The package comprises of 2 6.5 mid-range speakers, 2 1-inch silk dome tweeters, 2 crossovers, and 2 grills. The detailed specifications highlight the mid-range speaker's frequency response to 60 Hz all the way to 23 kHz, and the tweeter's handling capacity of up to 25 watts, ensuring that this component set meets high audio performance standards for a better driving experience. Now, let's talk a little bit about its price. So, the RIOT61s come down to $139.95. And if you're interested in purchasing this, you can get it at bigjeffaudio.com/collections/B2audio. And as always, if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And also comment something that you would like to see unboxed. In the meantime, thanks for watching.